210 molecular weight, first signal 2.3 delta singlet of 4H, second signal 7.15 delta, so it is indicating aromatic nucleus, singlet of 10H. So from this 10H we can say that most probably phenyl group C6H5 monosubstituted phenyl group must be present 2 times, because C6H5 having 5 protons, here there are 10 protons, so C6H5 must be present 2 times, and neither singlet in both the signals, indicating that none of them are at a neighboring position, there shouldn't be spin-spin coupling. So it is aromatic, and as we discussed 2C6H5, so molecular weight of 2C6H5 is 154, 77 2s are. Most probably 4 equivalent hydrogens. So there are 2 possibilities, either it can be 2 methylene groups or there can be 2 amino groups. These kind of problems are always solved by trial and error method only. First, always one should try with the CH2, and if the structure is not possible, then you should think about NH2. So first we will go on the route of as if there are 2 CH2. So each CH2, its weight is a 14, so 14 2s are 28. Now whatever so far we have identified, 154 and 228, so let us subtract from the given molecular weight. So 210 which is given, minus 154 of 2 phenyl, minus 28 of 2 methylene, so 28 is yet to be explained. So now the probable structure are these two, either 2 phenyl rings, because in this structure they are identical, and 2 CH2 and some part is missing over here, and otherwise another probable structure is this way, where here some 28 part, because 28 is remainder, so that we have to explain. Now 28 can be either 2 nitrogen or 2 methylene groups or carbonyl group, because 12 plus 16, that is 28. Now first of all, 2 methylene is not possible, because you cannot add any more protons, otherwise number of signals can be added. So this thing you should keep in your mind, that in the molecular weight based problems never add additional hydrogens, because only 4 and 10H are given, so you cannot add any more hydrogens. So that we cancel 2 nitrogens and this carbonyl. You can nitrogen put over here, or as per this structure here you can write N double bond N, or otherwise another way is if you put ketonic group here over here, then it is dibenzyl ketone. If we recheck the signals, 10 equivalent hydrogens, because of the benzene ring it is a singlet, and 4 equivalent hydrogens, again singlet, so dibenzyl ketone, C6H5CH2 is a benzyl group, so dibenzyl ketone, which is the answer.